Hi, this is Ken. Welcome to Little Sprouts. Today we're going to be making edible soil.
Isn't that just dirt?
Well, you know, soil is a mix of minerals and water and air. It supports plant life and it's essential for everything. Today we're going to be showing you different layers of soil. Here's what you need: Oreos, graham crackers, pudding, butterscotch chips, gummy worms, clear plastic, a plastic bag, and a spoon. First step is to take the butterscotch chips and put them in the cup. This is our bedrock layer.
What is a bedrock layer?
The bedrock layer is the part of the earth that the soil lies on. It also provides drainage. So next up, we'll take the chocolate pudding and put on the bedrock. This will be our subsoil layer. The subsoil adds minerals to the plants. So next we have the topsoil layer. The way we're going to make this is to take the graham crackers, take the Oreos, put them in a bag, and crunch them up. So now we add our topsoil to the mixture. It is full of minerals and organic matter. It's full of microorganisms, billions of them.
Billions? That's a lot.
That's what helps the plants grow.
Oh!
You know, there are lots of things in the soil plants love. Well, in fact, why don't you put some worms in there?
Worms? Ew, gross.
No, worms work hard to provide nutrients that the plants love.
Oh, okay.
Now that you've learned about soil, let's dig in.